Here's a piece of Dave's Killer Bread, the wheat bread, smothered with a serving of Glow's creamy egg salad that she made in the Kindred kitchen this afternoon. For instructions on how to make this and the ingredients that go in the recipe, check her out on Glow's Kindred kitchen, and you will really enjoy this. It's delicious, it doesn't take much time at all to make, and it was scrumptious for lunch. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Today we're going to be making creamy egg salad, and I received this recipe from my stepmother Betty Lou many years ago, and she actually got it from the Taste of Home magazine. Back then, that's even before I think there was the internet for Taste of Home. But anyway, when we first tried this recipe, everybody in our family loved it. And that's kind of unusual at times with new recipes. But since then, I think I've probably made this recipe now probably 25 years. So let's get started. I think the main thing for this recipe that really makes it up and above any of the other egg salad recipes that I have tried is cream cheese in it. And it makes the egg salad come together really nice and creamy, but it does not get watery. So it will keep in your refrigerator for a few days if it'll last that long, because it's that good. And I've also done the cream cheese in like chicken salad, tuna salad, macaroni salad. It just really helps the salad stay together better and not get watery. So I'm going to go ahead. I went ahead and I have 4 eggs total for this, and I'm going to do the last one. And I do it both ways, so it chops up nice and, excuse me, here we go, nice and small. And then here's the cream cheese, and there's mayonnaise. And I reduced the amount because the original recipe calls for 8 boiled eggs, and I'm only doing 4. So there's about 1.5 to 2 ounces of cream cheese and about a tablespoon of mayonnaise and just a squirt of the Dijon mustard. And we like the Dijon mustard in it. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of cream this up with the back of my spoon. I've had this sitting out on the counter for a little bit, and it's a warm day, so it will come together fairly quickly. Wintertime, sometimes I will whip this up with my beater to make it creamy, but I think today, with as warm as it is, this will be fine. Oh yeah, see how nice that's coming together?
Blending well, Miss Glow.
There we go. So it calls for vegetables to go in it as well. And so I have green pepper, and I've diced all this up pretty small. There's green pepper. The recipe did not call for red onion, but I had it on hand, and I think it makes it real pretty. This is celery from the heart of the celery. And this is Grandpa Boot's lime pickles that I make. But you can use any kind of a sweet pickle that's your favorite, or sweet pickle relish. And then from my garden, I have thyme, parsley, and marjoram, and a little bit of sage that I put in here for herbs. And I thought that those would go really well with the egg salad. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of this in. And if you didn't have fresh herbs, you could always use the dry herbs. We like cilantro in it quite often too, but I didn't have any fresh cilantro today, so I went with the parsley. And then I add Monde, which is a special spice, and in it, it has salt, onion, and celery seed. And we love celery seed, and I use this quite often in any kind of a cream cheese dip or something like this. It just really accents the flavor. And I'm just going to do a few dashes. Then I'm going to add a little bit of extra black pepper. And I'm just going to stir this up first just to kind of mix it up good. And then we'll add our creamy dressing to it. So and if you need a recipe on how to do boiled eggs, you can look on my YouTube site, and I have a video on boiling eggs. Believe it or not, there is kind of an art to it. If you cook them too long, they turn that ugly grayish green color in the yolk, and doesn't really look nice in your food. And I usually make this up about a half an hour before I'm going to serve it and put it in the refrigerator just so it gets cold. But as you can see, it came together really nice. And you can serve this like on a bagel for breakfast, or you can have it for lunch on any kind of your favorite bread. Today we're actually going to be using Dave's Killer Bread, the wheat one with the seeds in it. It just makes it delicious. French bread, you know, potato bread, croissants are very good too. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm going to just taste this now just to see if it's okay.
Smells good.
Delicious. Would you like to try some, Richard?
Sure. Very good. Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Let's go with that for lunch.
So, yep, that's our lunch today. So anyway, I'm so glad you guys came today. This is a great recipe for this time of year when it's hot out. And like I said, you can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And anyway, you could. But anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for coming in, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.